Hi there, Marianne here, just playing around with Ecamm version 4.5, and I just discovered something new. So I wanted to actually create a video tutorial showing my dual mode setup, but I discovered something when it comes to sharing a widget. So let me show you. I wanted to share Ecamm, so not a sponsored video. So let me go into live demo mode. Okay, so here we have on this side, we have the landscape. And so I created a widget of the ecamm.com website. And then, so here you can toggle on and off to control the widget itself. But can you see what's happening? If you go into the vertical view, what I did was I right-clicked on it, and if you do the duplicate to vertical canvas, and then let's just do another one. There it is. So there's the duplicate sitting behind. Let me just pop it on top. Okay, and then of course you would just resize it to size. I'm going to just delete that. So this was a duplicate of this one from the horizontal. And then so now if I'm doing a showcase of a widget and I'm going through the website, let me remove my pro mouse, I could go, this is Ecamm. And so if you check out their website, ecamm.com, you can go and check out the wonderful, great features that you can use to live stream or record your videos. And all you got to do is download Ecamm. And the great thing is there's some great new video tutorials created by our lovely community manager Jill, as well as all the different Ecamm team as well. So that's really great. And then of course you can go back and just scroll through. Isn't that fantastic? So if you want to share a particular website, all you got to do is go here into your overlay screen, and this little world icon, that is the widget. And if you click it, and all you got to do is put the URL link on here, and then I don't touch any of these other stuff, and you can add the widget, and that is how it's presented. And then you just toggle on or off this little icon here to be able to control the website. And the great thing is it doesn't show any of your desktop tabs. It's a nice clean share. So there you go. That's something I discovered today. Bye. Have fun.